was once a boy who grew up in a very wealthy family. His life was full of comfort, security, and every material blessing one could ask for. His father valued this blessing deeply and believed it was a gift that should be appreciated. Worried that his son might not fully understand how fortunate he was, the father decided to take him on a journey. Early one morning, they drove away from the city and into the countryside. Past open fields, winding roads, flowing rivers, and wide open skies. The father hoped that by seeing a different way of life, his son would return home grateful for what he already had. They reached a small farm where a poor family lived. The house was modest, the land simple, and life there depended on hard work and togetherness. For several days, the boy lived among them. He worked in the fields, fed the animals, and shared simple meals. But what touched him most was not what they lacked. It was their laughter, their closeness, and the freedom of living close to nature. When it was time to leave, the father asked gently, "Did you enjoy the trip? Did you learn anything?" The boy smiled and replied, "It was fantastic. The family is so lucky." Surprised, the father asked what he meant. The boy explained, "We have one dog, but they have four, and chickens too. We are four at home, but they are 12. They are never alone. We have a pool, but they have a river that flows endlessly through their land." He continued softly, "We use lanterns at night, but they have the wide open sky and beautiful stars. We have walls and fences, but they have freedom. We buy our food, but they grow it themselves." The father listened in silence as they got into the car and began the drive back home. The boy looked out the window. The farm slowly disappeared behind them. His smile faded just a little, not from sadness, but from longing. He was quiet, thoughtful, as if leaving behind something precious that could not be packed into the car. And in that silence, the father understood that his son had seen a different kind of wealth, one made of freedom, nature, and togetherness. Wealth is a blessing, but happiness is not measured only by possessions. Sometimes the richest life is the one that feels most free.